Hi, welcome to this video. How to make Instagram carousel with AI. Creating Instagram carousels with AI involves using tools like Gamma app, or in my case I'm going to use aicarousels.com, right? Or Canva's Carousel Studio to generate slide content and designs from a simple prompt, right? So all you gotta do is just simply hit create carousel. Log in, of course, using your account, right? Select a customizable template, right? And all you gotta do now is just select the intro type, standard, emoji, headshot, whatever, okay? And all you gotta do is just add the tagline, title, paragraph, simple indicator, okay? And hit generate carousel at the top right and download it, okay? So input your topic, choose a theme, and the AI generates, resizes, and formats slides, allowing for quick export and posting. Consider liking this video, subscribe, until next time, see you.